our we have discussed about the cell. All living things are formed by cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit and it discovered by Robert Hooke in 1865. The bark of car is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1865. The bark of car. Car a type of plant. Okay, type of plant, and it has divided into size. Cell is divided into size. Smallest cell called PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. It is the smallest cell. Another name is mycoplasma. Pleuropneumonia-like organism. It is also called mycoplasma. The smallest cell in whole world is PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism, and largest cell in diameter, ostrich egg. Largest cell in diameter, ostrich egg, and longest cell nerve cell. Longest cell is nerve cell. And we have discussed about cell theory. Who's given by Schleiden and Swan. Cell theory given by Schleiden and Theodore Swan. And in cell theory, old cell develop a new cell. Every cell, existing cell, have developed a new cell. And second theory is cell is the structural and functional unit of life. And cell is divided into two parts: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Cell is divided by two parts: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. सेल दो भागों में बटा है, प्रोकैरियोटिक और यूकैरियोटिक सेल. प्रोकैरियोटिक मीन्स न्यूक्लियस incipient, means undeveloped. And eukaryotic cell have developed nucleus. have developed nucleus. It has 70s ribosome and it have 70s and 80s ribosome, means both type ribosome present in eukaryotic cell. Its respiration by organelles mesosome. By organelle prokaryotic cell have mesosome which help in respiration. It is the homologous organ of mitochondria. It is the homologous organ of mitochondria. And its example here, bacteria and blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. It's nostoc and Anabaena. And here example, except bacteria and blue-green algae, they are mainly eukaryotic cell. And we have discussed about how many type of liquid present in the cell. How many type of liquid present in the cell. Here, first cytoplasm, second karyoplasm, another name is nucleoplasm, and third here matrix. Cytoplasm are present whole the cell, and karyoplasm or nucleoplasm present in nucleus. Matrix are present, they are present inside the cell organelles. And one protoplasm, which are consist cytoplasm plus karyoplasm, which are consist cytoplasm and karyoplasm. And we have known about, according to Huxley scientists, they have called protoplasm is the physical basis of life. And cytoplasm, cytoplasm are present inside the cell, whole cell. Karyoplasm or nucleoplasm are present inside the nucleus, and matrix are present the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. And protoplasm, which are consist cytoplasm and karyoplasm. And we have discussed about cell organelles. Cell organelles. We have discussed about cell organelles, and diagram is here. We have tried. Student, we have drawn the diagram is the plant cell and discuss about it is the outer membrane of the cell and here inner membrane of the cell. Both membrane of the cell which are made by calcium magnesium peptide. It is present only plant cell. And vacuole also present. Vacuoles have covering. This covering is called tonoplast. And nucleus have containing a nucleolus and here the chromatin fiber also, and a liquid which are present inside the liquid, they are called karyoplasm or nucleoplasm, and here nuclear pore which are consist or help material transformation inside cell to nucleus, and they have consist a inside cell and outside nucleus is called endoplasmic reticulum, and endoplasmic reticulum also consists ribosome, and here a plastic chloroplast, and here another organelles mitochondria. Mitochondria also contain DNA or chromatin fiber, and here it consists animal cell, lysosome, and here a Golgi bodies. They are many type of organelles are present inside the plant cell. Firstly, we have discussed about ribosome. Firstly, we have discussed about cell organelles ribosome. Ribosome. It coined by Palade. Scientists name it coined by Palade. And ribosome are organelles which help in protein synthesis in the cell, which are help in protein synthesis. And ribosomes are divided into two parts. Divided into 70s or 70s, 80s, or this is present in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, and its eukaryotic and it also present in eukaryotic cells. 70s diagram here. TS diagram. And its joint magnesium ion concentration. 70s and 80s. 70s have two subunits, 50s and 30s. S is the Sydbert constant. Yes, here S is described Sydbert constant. Sydbert is scientist, and it's use a machine named centrifugal machine. It is units which are joined with the centrifugal machines 30s and 50s and form a 70s. It's present only prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, and here at TS present only eukaryotic cell, and they are joined with magnesium ion concentration. They are joined with magnesium ion concentration. And we have know about what is dimer. What is dimer? When two ATS join subunits each other and form a 120s ribosome is called dimer. Dimer seen the diagram. ATS 120 years. It is dimer, and here also magnesium ion concentration. And what is polyribosome? When two or more subunits or units attached with each other, they have form a polyribosome. See the diagram of polyribosome. Polyribosome attached with each other and they have contain a RNA. They have contain ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA. ATS, ATS and ATS, ATS. ATS ribosome which are attached with each other more than two. Ribosomes have a form a polyribosome. Have form polyribosome. Function of ribosome, mainly main function of ribosome, it help to protein synthesis of the cell. It help in protein synthesis of the cell. And we have next topic taken plastid. Plastid in हिंदी लवक. प्लास्टिड को हिंदी में लवक कहते हैं और इसको डिस्कवर सबसे पहले अर्नेस्ट हैकेल ने किया. अर्नेस्ट हैकेल साइंटिस्ट का नाम है अर्नेस्ट हैकेल. Who discovered plastid? Ernest Haeckel discovered plastid. Plastid are divided into three parts. प्लास्टिड को तीन भागों में बांटा गया है. See the whiteboard. Chloroplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast discovered by Simper, SCHIMPER. Chloroplast discovered by Simper. All green plant have contain chloroplast or chlorophyll. Chlorophyll also contain chloroplast and it help to photosynthesis. Green color and function is photosynthesis. Plant cells have made own food with the help of water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and nutrients and form a carbohydrate or monosaccharide or polysaccharides, and oxygen is liberated in this process. It is called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, waste product of plant is oxygen and human being waste product carbon dioxide. And next topic, chromoplast. Chromoplast means it given a color. Color is like help in plant pollination except green and white. Except green and white, all type of color have contain chromoplast and help pollination of flower by different mode, like insect, another mode, and leucoplast mainly white in color, it present only mainly roots and some stems, and it is the help to storage of food, and we have discussed about leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are divided into 3 parts. In Hindi, chloroplast हरित लवक, वर्णी लवक, क्रोमोप्लास्ट वर्णी लवक, अवर्णी लवक। हरित लवक फोटोसिंथेसिस में हेल्प करते हैं और इसका आविष्कार सिम्पर नामक साइंटिस्ट ने किया था। सिम्पर ने इसका आविष्कार किया था और ये ग्रीन कलर का होता है। एंड क्रोमोप्लास्ट, इसमें ग्रीन और व्हाइट को छोड़कर जितने भी कलर होते हैं सब क्रोमोप्लास्ट में आते हैं और ये फ्लावर के पॉलिनेशन में हेल्प करता है और इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्ट करता है, कीड़ों को अट्रैक्ट करने का काम करता है। ल्यूकोप्लास्ट अवर्णी लवक, ये केवल सफेद रंग के होते हैं और रूट या कुछ स्टेम में, जड़ों या फिर कुछ तनों में ये पाए जाते हैं और इनका काम है स्टोरेज करना या संग्रह करना। ल्यूकोप्लास्ट डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, ये 3 भागों में बटा है। वी हैव सीन द ब्लैक बोर्ड और व्हाइट बोर्ड। ल्यूकोप्लास्ट it is divided into 3 पार्ट। पहला है एमाइलोप्लास्ट और दूसरा है इलियोप्लास्ट और तीसरा है प्रोटीनोप्लास्ट। थर्ड है प्रोटीनोप्लास्ट। एमाइलोप्लास्ट, यह कार्बोहाइड्रेट का संग्रहण करता है, स्टोरेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट। एमाइलोप्लास्ट स्टोरेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट। अब लोगों को पता होगा कार्बोहाइड्रेट कहाँ पाया जाता है। पोटैटो में, राइस में, व्हीट में कार्बोहाइड्रेट अच्छी तरह से मिलता है। इलियोप्लास्ट स्टोरेज ऑफ फैट और आयल्स। इलियोप्लास्ट जो है ये स्टोरेज ऑफ फैट्स और आयल्स, ये फैट और आयल का संग्रह करते हैं। एंड प्रोटीनोप्लास्ट स्टोरेज ऑफ प्रोटीन, ऑल टाइप ऑफ पल्सेस। जितनी तरह की पल्सेस पाई जाती हैं उसमें प्रोटीन स्टोर होता है प्रोटीनोप्लास्ट के थ्रू। एंड वी हैव गिवन वन एग्जांपल, एक एग्जांपल ऐसा है इसमें जिसमें तीनों तरह के लवक पाए जाते हैं। क्लोरोप्लास्ट भी पाया जाता है, उसमें क्रोमोप्लास्ट भी पाया जाता है और ल्यूकोप्लास्ट भी पाया जाता है। एग्जाम्पल, present tomato in virgin form, they have firstly present ल्यूकोप्लास्ट। जब टमाटर उत्पन्न होता है, छोटा रहता है, तो वह सफेद कलर का होता है, तो उसमें अवर्णी लवक पाया जाता है या ल्यूकोप्लास्ट पाया जाता है। उसके बाद दे हैव डेवलप, जब वो और डेवलप होता है, बड़ा होता है, तो उसमें इंक्रीज his size क्लोरोप्लास्ट। उसके बाद ल्यूकोप्लास्ट जो है वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है या फिर हरित लवक में बदल जाता है। और जब इसका राइपेन टाइम होता है, पकने का समय होता है, तो फिर वो या रेड कलर का आ जाता है, तो उसमें वर्णी लवक या क्रोमोप्लास्ट आ जाता है। राइपेन टाइम, राइपेन टाइम में क्रोमोप्लास्ट आ जाता है। ये एग्जाम्पल टोमेटो का एग्जाम्पल है और इसमें तीनों तरह के लवक आप देख सकते हैं या जान सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।